Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing and swatching the Luna Magic Uno eyeshadow palette. Luna Magic is an indie brand that was started by two sisters. They wanted to create a brand that was inspired by the Caribbean and Latin America cultures. So the Uno palette is one out of 5 products they currently carry. The palette has a cardboard packaging with the magnetic closure. It's a 12-pan eyeshadow palette that retails for $34. The pans in the palette are standard size pans. I wanted to let you guys know that since sometimes it's hard to tell over the video or on the website. The eyeshadow names are printed above each eyeshadow as well as on the back of the palette. The palette has a mixture of neutrals and pop-up colors with metallic and matte finishes. Out of the 12 shades, there's 6 mattes and 6 metallics. I personally think this palette can be an everyday use and also good for evening looks. When I started to swatch this palette, I was so happy to see how the matte shades were so soft, and the best part is that they were very pigmented. The neon pink shade named Salud was a tiny bit patchy, but only when swatched. All of the mattes blended smoothly without any issues. For the metallics, they were very creamy. The shade Reggaeton, which is a purple shade, was less pigmented than the other metallics. It wasn't sheer, but compared to the rest of the metallics, which were extremely creamy and pigmented, it was a bit sheer compared to those. So overall, I truly recommend this palette to everyone. I feel these shades will work for all skin tones. I can't wait for them to release another palette with this same formula. For being their first palette, I have to say they did really good. Banda, which is the blue metallic shade, is so beautiful, and I wish the camera would pick up how pretty this eyeshadow really is. So I really hope you guys found this video helpful. Please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.